Hey guys, Jeremy, National Fire Radio, FDIC 2024. We're on the floor this year again for the second year in a row. We're working with Rev Group. E1, Ferrara, KME, Spartan, Smeal, LTI, family of brands right here at FDIC. Come see us tomorrow. We'll be in the booth starting at noon with the Rev It Up series, talking about Toronto Fire Services Vector Electric Engine. And then in the afternoon, come back, see us again at 2 o'clock, Rev It Up Happy Hour with National Fire Radio. It's Miller and Tiller time. Come find us. We're going to have a good time here at FDIC. So much more to come from the Rev Group booth. We'll see you tomorrow. Jeremy, National Fire Radio.